everyone, you have a PC, you have to try this. Today I'm going to share with you programs and apps that are consuming your internet data. If you don't know, let's go. First thing first, go to settings here on the lower here. You can see settings here. After that, go to network and internet. Click on it and come here. You can see data usage. Click on it, and here these are the programs and apps that are using my data here. You can see I have Google Chrome, BitTorrent, and the system itself. So now you can set a limit. You can set a limit for the data usage. Monthly, let me see, you can set it. You can set maybe 10 gig for your monthly usage. For instance, this is an example. So it will reset every first of every month. It will reset. So if you have enjoyed the video, don't forget to